Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Release Burndown Burnup Chart widget helps you track the progress of your entire project release. If you have multiple teams working on the same release or product increment, this widget lets you generate a cross-team burndown chart to see the overall project along the release timeframe. In addition, it can display a forecast and estimate the final release date based on the overall team velocity, and optionally, the scope change ratio. The series to be displayed are configurable, thus allowing you to use the gadget as a burn down, burn up, or both, providing a flexible tool to monitor your project in a truly agile way. Now, let's see how it can be configured. Assuming that we have our release backlog prepared, and the work items were already estimated, all you have to do is configure the widget with a shared query that will return the items that are in the scope of the release. Then, enter the planned release dates. At intervals of, you can set the length of your sprints or iterations, but it is recommended to set it to 1 day, to see the progress in real time, on a day-by-day basis. The widget supports multiple estimation methods, such as story points, item count, or any other numerical custom field. To configure it as a burndown chart, go to the Series tab and select only the ideal burndown, remaining, and scope series to be displayed. Click Save. And here you go. The Release Burndown chart is now showing on your dashboard. Now, let's configure it to calculate and display the forecast. Go to the Forecast tab and choose the method for calculating the average velocity. If you select the first option, the widget will calculate the velocity as the average of the work completed, or burned, in all the past time intervals displayed by the chart. Choosing the second option, as in this example, will only calculate based on the last 7 intervals in the chart. The third option lets you enter a fixed velocity. This is especially useful when the project has just started, and you don't have enough completed intervals in the chart yet. The widget calculates the scope forecast in a similar way. In addition, it can consider the scope forecast when making the end date forecast. For it to be displayed, you have to select at least one of the forecast series. And here you go, it now displays the ETA of your project's release. Optionally, you can configure the widget to display milestones. Go to the Milestones tab and enable them. The widget can display milestones either as a percentage of the entire release time frame, as dates or milestones with custom labels. For this example, let's enter percentage milestones in one custom label milestone. Previous milestones will be shown in green if they were successfully reached, or in red, if not. Install great gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.